Taking a quick look at the LG CordZero cordless vacuum. Really nice, sleek design. I'm pretty tall, so I gotta actually extend it out to its full length, but you can actually make it shorter. Let's say your kids are doing some chores. That'd be a good way to get them more involved. I'm gonna go all the way out. Got a little dirt and dust on the ground, so I'm gonna crank that bad boy up and go turbo all the way down to the lightest setting. Let's see what the middle setting does. Oh yeah, that's gone. Let's see if it can handle the big boy. Oh yeah, completely gone. Goes on hardwood and on carpet. Got some food right there. Oh, just ate that food right up. Oh, we're having a good time. Having a good time. And check this out. This is all the nasty stuff. You can bang that out, wash it out, hang it out to dry. This is actually like a silicone, so it keeps it nice and tight. There you have it. LG CordZero. That's what we're working with.